What it be, what it do, here's another New Balance review. So lately I've been like really addicted to New Balance. Like all their colorways and all of their silhouettes, they've been fire. Like the 327, I love that silhouette, really cheap as well, and there have been some great colorways. And I love all their made in US stuff as well, of course. But today I have something a little different. As you can see on the box, it says made in England. Their Made in England program is similar to their New Balance Made in USA program. It's obviously, instead of Made in US, it's Made in England. And obviously the US and England quality of the shoes are a lot better than, say, a Made in China or Vietnam shoe. And I managed to win these off SNS. I think I paid like over $200 for these, so definitely not a cheap shoe, but the quality is definitely there. So as you can see on the lid of the box, it has a little picture of England and the description of their craftsmanship and factories. So I believe the model that I bought was called the M920, as you can see there. Yeah, it's definitely a nice, it's a chunky dad shoe vibe looking shoe. It's like a retro runner as well. The materials feel great in hands. The meshes and the nubuck definitely feel great. You can really feel that quality. As you can see right there, made in England on the tongue. There's some nice reflective hits as well on the shoe. I really like the colors on this shoe. It's really nice. The mint green, the baby blue, and then the little hits of orange. It's nice. See the back. That little Made in New England tag there. And the outsole, on the bottom of the outsole, you can see there's a little carbon fiber plate as well. I think that's pretty interesting. Usually you'd only see that stuff on like high performance running shoes. But it's cool that this lifestyle sneaker has that as well. Here's the left shoe as well. They both come with orange laces. There aren't any other laces in the box, but I'm cool with the orange laces. I actually scratched that last point about there only being orange laces. When I went to go lace up the shoes, I looked inside, and one of the shoes had these baby blue laces inside. It matches the color of the nubuck on the and mesh of the shoe. So yeah, there's that. I'll keep the orange laces on because I think it provides a nice contrast. And that's a little nice detail in the box as well. I guess they're England factories. Yeah, cool box. And so yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll end the video with some on-feet shots after I lace them up, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.